To calculate the design temp, we can come to our zoning panel in our Radiant tab and select the icon Design Temp. Our selection of supply temperature window opens, where we will maximize. And in our heating tab, we'll extend this. We have our two different manifolds where all the rooms are associated with each individual manifold. In instance, our M1, our kitchen, bathroom, closet, and dining room are associated with that particular manifold, where our M2 manifold associates the corridor, family, and entry. If I select any one of these rooms, then the most demanding room automatically appears as our entry is our most demanding room. If I slide this over, you can see that it's designated as our room, our heated area, which is 31.42 square feet, our perimeter zone area, which is 15.48 square feet, our load density in BTUs per hour per square feet, as well as our R value. If I come over to our entry, which is our most demanding room, you can see that we have, I'll slide this over before I go any further. You can see that we have different columns designated for area, our pipe spacing for occupied, our pipe spacing for perimeter, number of circuits, room load for our BTUs per hour, load density, residual load, delta T in Fahrenheit, our floor temperature. If I scroll over, you can see our remaining ones, which are flow rate, length medium, our tails, and our delta P medium. I can also scale this up, and since we highlighted our entry, and also you can see it visually in our graph down below. As you can see for our kitchen, if I highlight here, I can also left click on the down arrow and you see two additional ray areas here. We have our kitchen dash, which is labeled as 1. This is our ray area here, which you can also see further information on our right hand side of our window for our different colors for our return and supply pipe, our line type for our return and supply, our circuit layout, perimeter zone, and so forth. If I select the other ray area for the kitchen, you can see this is our cabinetry where our circuits will not be drawn. And again, it has our information over here. As you can see, this is our ray area, but if I left click on the room, you can see that this is labeled as room and it has different features for different information for our room, such as our calculation type, heat load requested, heating flux, and so forth. Since we have our entry way is our most demanding, we would like to get our residual load close to 0 as possible. In this case, it is. If this was higher, we could, for instance, if this was 140, you can see our residual load is at 24.5. But we can just simply lower or raise what our design temperature range should be. We'll go back to our 104.0. And as you can see, our residual load is at 0. If we go ahead and click OK, we have now set our calculations for our ray area.